Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. It's nice to see Chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today we have something special for you in the theme of comfort food. Who doesn't love comfort food? We have, what Ian?
Lasagna rolls and chicken parm.
Yes. Did you hear what Ian said? Lasagna rolls
Yes.
and chicken parm. Yeah, I know you're used to seeing a lot of stuff in front of us, but we wanted to surprise you, not put it in front of you right away, but you're going to be happy when you see it.
Yes, you will.
So we are going to get into showing you our plates. Here's our vitamin content. So we are cooking our ground beef. All it has is some fresh onions that I minced up, some fresh garlic, some Montreal beef seasoning that I put in here.
Okay, here we have some cooked lasagna noodles that I did earlier today. And I have some melted butter with parsley that I brushed on it to keep it from being dry. And now I'm going to take some ground beef with that's been cooked in garlic, onions, and Montreal seasoning and tomato sauce. And we're going to layer it on here. Okay, put it on this here, like this. And now I have some ricotta cheese with chopped spinach. And I'm going to layer this on top of the meat, as you see. It's always good to, do what you like, but, I like to just, spread it and have a little fun with it. And then we're going to put some mozzarella cheese. I'm going to break it up because, it's a little thick and it's too much, so we just put little spots here and there, like making a puzzle, as I would say. Okay, and now we're going to take some shredded Parmesan cheese and layer it right on top, like we're making almost like a cake. Now what we're going to do is we're going to roll it up. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Pull it back so you can see. Flip the other side there. Put it on the sheet. Put a little bit of sauce on top. A little sauce. Take another piece of mozzarella. Right on top like the other ones. And then when it's all said and done, I'll put it in the oven. The lasagna rolls are complete. And I'm gonna put it into the oven for 375 for about 20 minutes, just to get the cheese to melt because everything is already cooked.
And here are a list of ingredients. All right, so we are gonna make our chicken parm. In order to do that, we're taking our chicken that has been seasoned already, and we're just putting it in, doing a dredge, which is our flour. In our flour, I put a little bit of black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika in here. So here we are with our flour, that's the dredging. And we're just gonna turn that over here. See if we can get some of the flour mixture here. And then we're gonna put it in our egg mixture. And then we're gonna put it in breadcrumb and fry it. And when this happens like this, you wanna make sure that you get all the nook and crannies covered. So you wanna open it up and make sure that every part is covered. Now, put it in my egg wash. And then I'm gonna put it where the breadcrumb is. Now flip over the side. And I put that right here in our flour mixture. Pat it. And we'll repeat the process until you're done with your chicken. And then we're gonna put it I'm using olive oil to fry mine. You can use vegetable oil, corn oil, even avocado oil. You don't want to use coconut oil because you want something that can come to the smoke point. So, and here I'm putting it here, frying it in my oil. Okay, and here we go. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of pasta sauce on top of my mozzarella so it can melt smoother and quicker. So we have some underneath. We have the pasta sauce, fresh mozzarella, parmesan. Put a little bit on top of the fresh mozzarella. And I'm just gonna put some shredded parmesan here. And I'm gonna bake it on 375 just for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your oven, just so the cheese can melt because everything is fully cooked. Our pasta sauce has vitamins A, B, C, E, K, and potassium. Our fresh mozzarella has vitamin C, folate, and potassium. And our shredded parmesan has vitamins A, B6, and B12. Well, when you think of comfort food, E, look how beautiful what you've done.
And you?
And okay, what I did too. So we had a marriage today because we like to do things differently here.
Yes, we do.
We didn't want to make the traditional lasagna, so we did lasagna rolls.
Yeah, lasagna rolls.
And we did chicken parmesan.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. And so we can't wait to share it with you and to eat it with you. So you see our beautiful lasagna rolls with our chicken parmesan placed right on top of it. Well, E, I just gotta admire this little masterpiece for a hot second here.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. So let's go, let's do this.
Oh, I gotta come closer.
Whoa, that creaminess of the avocado. The sharpness of the parmesan.
Yeah.
The meat is just totally delish in the lasagna.
That's the taste of the lasagna.
That fresh mozzarella is it.
Yeah.
And you know, even though the roll was baked, it's not tough, the pasta.
No.
It's still soft. Let me taste my chicken parm. That breading is not super thick, just a very light flour dredge. You know, a little bit in the egg wash, and then that breadcrumb.
Wow.
Whoa.
Yeah. Talking right.
Like, whoa.
Yeah.
I'm loving every bite.
I like hearing that. I love to hear that. Not hard to make.
Comfort food.
Not hard to make.
Affordable.
Yes. Very affordable.
Beautiful. Don't forget to hit the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets myself, Ian, and the crew know that you're enjoying what we're putting out and encourages us to keep going for you. If you're new to this channel, it's the first time you're watching us, welcome, come on in, where we welcome you with great big hugs. So we thank you again for spending your time with us. We know that time is valuable, and we really, truly appreciate you doing that with us.
100%.
We love you guys, and thank you again. Love you. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.